R prime F, U prime D prime L, U D prime F2 D, M F, M prime U2 L, U prime L prime U, R prime U prime R, U L prime U2 L, U prime R, U prime R2 U prime R, U prime R prime U2 R, U M2 YU M2 D prime M S2 M prime. And there you go. I solved this Rubik's Cube one turn per 1,000 steps. It took me a lot longer because, frankly, I don't go outside often. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell to never miss out on any more cubing content like this. I'm out. Peace.